Guys, check this out. So we're gonna have to go ahead and remove this rim, get that situated, put air back in it so we can get this thing back rolling. Alright guys, so we were able to replace the stem, and he had a nail, so I went ahead and got that situated. Yeah, I mean, making money, solving people's problems, that's what I do, bro. Like, I kind of get off on that shit, you know? Like, I've had people that they'll be like, yo, this job is impossible. I've put flame on it. I've put torches, compact machines on it. And I'll go over there in like 15 minutes. I done fucking did what this nigga thought was impossible.